Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to access the student discount offered by Etihad Airways. Begin by searching for Etihad Airways student offer on Google. Click the first link, which will take you to their official website. On the page, you'll find details about the international student offer, including up to 10% off economy class or 5% off business class fares for eligible students. Review the eligibility criteria. You must be aged 18 to 32, studying abroad in a qualifying country, and have a verified student ID or acceptance letter. So here is the list of the qualifying countries. Make sure to double check it. Now for the actual tutorial, first join Etihad Guest, their rewards program, by clicking the Join Now button. It will take you to another web page which includes a form you must fill out. Make sure to fill this out accurately and complete all the succeeding prompts. Next is to verify your student ID by clicking the Verify Now button. Now here it will ask you for your Etihad guest number, first name, last name, email, and country of study. And here, you must upload a copy of your student ID or acceptance letter. Make sure to complete all the succeeding prompts. Lastly, wait for a confirmation email from Etihad. Once your ID is verified, return to the website and log in to book your discounted flight. This offer is valid for travel to or from qualifying destinations until June 30, 2025. Take advantage of this great opportunity to save while you study abroad.